an anti-snoring device that has been praised as a super effective way to stop people making lots of noise and waking up their loved ones at night, has been reduced in price. Snoring is something that plagues many people across the UK and comes in many different shapes, from quieter noises to full-blown foghorn sound levels. There are plenty of anti-snoring devices on the market, but one mouthguard is currently 34% off on Amazon. The best selected anti-snoring device is currently 24% off on Amazon without the added 10% voucher, down from £39.99 to £30.59. However, with the 10% voucher added on, you can grab this snore stopper for just £27.53, a total saving of £12.46. This anti-snoring device is a mouthpiece that moves your lower jaw so that you can breathe through your mouth without any obstructions. The creators said, "Our innovative anti-snoring devices technology in the Snore Stopper anti-snoring devices ensures you and your loved ones enjoy quiet nights and a proven snoring aids for women and snoring aids for men." The device molds to each individual mouth, which means that any person using it will have a completely different experience from anyone else. Shoppers have praised this anti-snoring device as a simple and effective solution for their own or their partner's snoring issues. One happy customer wrote, "I've been using it for over a week now. Setting it up was easy, although it initially felt a bit strange. However, on the first night, no snoring. It's gradually getting easier to use the mouth device, and falling asleep has become less troublesome. It's a simple and effective solution. I'd recommend it to anyone struggling to sleep with a partner." Another said, "The guard is well made and it comes with a nice storage case. Fitting instructions are simple and easy to follow. I've got a bit of an overbite, so it took me a few attempts to get it to position comfortably. I've had bite guards in the past to prevent grinding, but just for the top teeth, so having a cover across both was a bit weird at first, but I've combined this with a nasal dilator and my sleep has definitely improved as a result." And a third added, "I used an app to hear my snoring before purchasing this. I used the app after purchasing and there was no snoring. This means I can go away with friends without worrying about my snoring disturbing them. Also hoping with time it will help improve my sleep. I do sometimes take it out during the night if I wake up, but this is just me. It is comfortable once you get used to it, and it does not stop me getting off to sleep. By most importantly, it stops my snoring." One person did note that this gadget can be slightly uncomfortable but has changed both their own and their partner's life. They added, "I've been using this for a while now. Changed my sleep and my partner's life. Slightly uncomfortable to start with, but you get used to it. Snoring has stopped. Bizarrely, also on nights I'm not using it." You can check out this anti-snoring device deal on Amazon now. There are other anti-snoring devices available that aren't mouth guards, such as the Asinor Snoring Nasal Spray, £11.21, and the Air Max Nasal Dilator Pack, £13.75. Join the Daily Record WhatsApp community. Get the latest news sent straight to your messages by joining our WhatsApp community today. You'll receive daily updates on breaking news as well as the top headlines across Scotland. No one will be able to see who is signed up, and no one can send messages except the Daily Record team. All you have to do is click here if you're on mobile, select Join Community and you're in. If you're on a desktop, simply scan the QR code above with your phone and click Join Community. We also treat our community members to special offers, promotions, and adverts from us and our partners. If you don't like our community, you can check out anytime you like. To leave our community, click on the name at the top of your screen and choose Exit Group. If you're curious, you can read our privacy notice. Don't miss the latest news from around Scotland and beyond. Sign up to our daily newsletter.